Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to change AOL password. So if you're new in this channel, make sure to leave a like in this video, subscribe to this channel and also turn on notification by pressing the bell icon. So now here you can see that I'm going to AOL.com. Now you need to click on your profile name. Alright, now here you can see that your personal info. You need to click on account security. Okay, now here you'll be able to see that your password option. Okay, changing password. So click on change password. Now you have to give your new password and you have to make sure that you give a strong password. So once you given your password, you need to click on continue button. Now here you can see that you are successfully created a new password. So in this way you will be able to easily create a new password. So now here you can see that my recovery mail is missing, so that's a little reminder from the website, right? So that was all for today guys. Hope you like this video. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5-minute solution.